This is Felix doing tutorial number 19, the real-time clock. So here we have the LCD screen that's being powered by 3.3 volts and goes to ground through the black wire. It also gets feeds from pins 12, 11, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it has a potentiometer to control the brightness of it. And it goes to ground through all these wires. And then here's the real time. It has a different time for now. And here is the coding for tutorial number 19, the basic real-time clock. So in here first we include the library for the Curry time library, and then the library for the LCD screen, and we set up all the pins for the LCD screen. After that we set the size of the LCD screen and we clear everything that it had before, and in here we set the time that we want it to be. And here we set up an array of 16 characters for the time. This is what will be determine the hour, the minute, and seconds. Then we set another array of 16 characters. That will be the day, month, and year. And then we move the cursor to the top row and we print the daytime. And then we set the cursor to the bottom row and we print the clock time. And here is my modified. As you can see, I added a PS buzzer that's connected to pin 9, and it also goes to ground through the black wire. And here's the coding for the modified tutorial number 19, the LCD screen. So in here first, we set up the LCD screen and the library, and then we set the speaker to pin 9. And then here is we declare how many notes we want for the song, and here are the notes that we want and how long they're gonna take to produce. And this is how fast the song will last, how long it will play. And in here we set up the speaker to play the notes, and then here we declare for every letter it will have a specific frequency, and here's the speed of the frequency. And then here we set up the duration for each note. In here we set up the pins for the LCD screen, and in the void setup, first we set up the speaker to be an output, and then we set up the size of the LCD screen, and we clear everything every pass command, and then we set the cursor to be at 0, 7, column 7, row 0, the first row, and then we declare a variable called x. So in here, this is the countdown, so it will start at 10 and go down to 0, subtracting 1 every time. So first we print x, and then we wait a second, and then we put the cursor back at 0, and we clear everything, delete everything, and then we set up the cursor back to its original place to print the next value. So that's the countdown in the void loop. First we set up so this is what it's going to play the notes. So if there's a space or nothing, it will rest, and if there's a note, it will play that note, and then it will pause between notes also. So for the LCD screen, it will put the cursor back at 0, and then print happy birthday, and then put the cursor back at 0 again, wait a second, and then delete everything with the space, and then the cursor we put back at 0 again, and then wait a second. So it will blink and play the song at the same time forever.